Hi, my name's Laura, and this isn't my real hair. Wait till you see what my real hair looks like. These are the Goo Goo human hair, 100% human hair extensions. I have the 16-inch length. Watch this magic. This is what my real hair looks like. I had years of damage, breakage, couldn't get my hair to grow. So upsetting for me. I decided to take a chance on these and wait till you see how amazing they are. And this is how easy it is to put these in. You can see my hair is pretty short, so I'm just going to put these down for a second. I have a little hair tie that comes with them. Comes with a little comb, so I'm just going to section off the crown of my hair. Seriously love these because no one can believe this is not my real hair. So I just make a little ponytail on top. Little faux bun. Comes with the string, comes with a couple extras so you can pick the right length for you. Go ahead, place the halo. Clip in. The clips this comes with, they're sewn in. It's a double weft, it's nice and tight. Just clip those into your hair. Take down your little bun. Make sure you cover everything you need to. And then you can take the comb and comb out any little pieces. For real, no one believes these are extensions. You can curl these, you can wash them, you can straighten them. They're 100% real human hair. They're soft to the touch. They blend beautifully with my real hair. I curl them. I've had so many people tell me how amazing my hair looks. These are 100% worth the money. They come in lots of different lengths. I cannot tell you how amazing they look. Buy them, they're so worth it. So now I've curled them all. Here's what they look like. Just put a little weave in there. Kept it simple today. But really, you can do anything you want with them. Curl them, straighten them. They look great. No one's gonna believe it's not your hair.